Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an orange and black spiraled t-shirt. As usual, my shirt has been washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I spun it out of my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have the shirt turned inside out. I'm beginning the spiral with a fork, and as I turn the fork, I'm using my other hand to make more folds in the shirt. Once I have the entire shirt spiraled, I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. For this shirt, I'm going to use two dye colors. I'm using Deep Orange from Dharma Trading Company and Black Bang from Custom Colors. Okay, so before I begin applying the dye, I'm going to divide my shirt into two equal sections. I'm using a washable marker and drawing a line vertically right down the middle of the shirt. Then I'm going to turn the shirt over and I'm going to draw a line going down the middle of the shirt, but I'm going to draw this line horizontally. I'm going to apply Deep Orange all on the right side of the spiral. The left side, I'm using the Black Bang. When I add the black to the left side of the spiral, I don't want to oversaturate this side yet because I don't want it to overtake the rest of my colors that I'm going to put on the back. I can always come back and add more later. I frequently get asked the question of how to make a nice dark black color. And my first suggestions always are to make sure you use plenty of dye. When I mix black, I use 8 teaspoons of dye into 1 cup of water. I also try to use my dye fairly quickly after I've mixed it up, usually at least within the first couple of days. In my opinion, black tends to be one of the colors that degrades the fastest of all the dye colors. Now I'm going to turn the shirt over and I'm going to apply orange to the top half. I'm finishing by adding black to the bottom half. I'm going to check some of my folds to make sure I have good color saturation and add a little bit more dye. Then I'm going to put my shirt aside and let it process for at least 24 hours. This one actually processed for 48. Then I'm going to rinse my shirt out really well and wash it in the washing machine using some Dharma's textile detergent. And this is what our shirt looks like. I really like the combination of the orange and black. So if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.